Welcome Express Program users. This instructional media is created to introduce users to the Express program, covering everything from the beginning to closing an account and issuing financial statements from the program, most of which focus on usability for new users. Installing the Express program will be like any other program for Windows. That is, a shortcut will be created on your desktop automatically. The Express program shortcut is easily identifiable by an orange circle with an E logo on the inside. To enter the program, simply double-click on the orange shortcut. A screen will appear and prompt the user to enter their user ID and password. Initially, the program has already provided a basic user ID. The default user ID prepared by the program, which we will use, is bit9, with a matching password of bit9, which is the highest code. In this section, enter bit9 as the user ID, then click on the second line, or press enter on your keyboard to input the password bit9. Finally, press enter or click OK below the screen. The next screen that appears displays the company's name or information. Two sample companies are provided by the program for demonstrative purposes. Let's explore some tasks and benefits these two companies offer. Starting with the first sample company named Test Data Version 1, located under the path named Test. This test data allows users to experiment with entering data, deleting data, and calling on various data as desired, with the sample data prepared by the program. Another sample company named Empty Data Version 1 is stored under the path named DAT. Empty data indicates that this sample company is empty, meaning there is no preloaded data or sample documentation. However, one essential element is prepared, the chart of accounts. The chart of accounts is key to any accounting system, determining the various account numbers used to combine all the accounts and issue financial statements. Another benefit of having empty data is that it can serve as a template for duplicating and creating a new company. In this section, select the test path. Then click OK. The next screen that appears will show the working date. Note that the program's working date will already be set to the current date. This working date is used as a default start date for entering documents into various systems and generating reports. However, when entering documents from previous dates, users can directly edit the date on the document itself. If the working date is already set to the present, users can proceed by clicking OK. After setting the working date, the program will return to the home screen. The program's functions are accessed through the top menu, where work systems and tools are available for use. At the bottom, a rectangular frame displays details of the current program succession. The first line of this frame indicates the name of the company currently being worked on, as specified by the user. For example, in the test data of the program, the company name is listed as Express Software Group. The second line indicates the storage location of the data. This frame indicates that the information entered will be saved under Express Software Group. Once saved, all data will be stored in its designated drive or folder. Please note that the drive location depends on the setup of the program being used. If the user is operating on a single standalone system, typically a local drive such as Drive D is used. However, if the program is being accessed from multiple computers within a LAN system, the drive shown should be a network drive only, including the main server. The folder where data is stored can be specified by the user during the process of creating a new company. The next topic, db_ver equals 1.94, is for users who have upgraded to the latest version of the program. According to announcement number 194 from the Revenue Department, it is mandatory to display the 13-digit tax identification number at the branch head office in trading tax reports and various other documents related to the tax system. This line indicates the version that the user is using. The Express program is available in two versions. Version 1.0 is designed for internal use, suitable for users who do not directly submit budgets to the Revenue Department. In this scenario, an accounting center manages and submits the budgets. This setup allows for easy corrections when errors are identified and enables users to review and adjust budgets as needed. On the other hand, version 1.5 is supported by the Revenue Department and allows users to create, print, and submit various budgets directly to the Revenue Department. This version is intended for users managing their own accounting and budget submissions, but it comes with certain limitations. Users wishing to view various financial statements must first place an order through their account. Once processed, users can access a variety of accounting reports. However, if users identify any incorrect documents through their account, they will not be able to go back and edit those documents. Instead, users will need to adjust the items in the daybook or provide evidence to the Revenue Department to inspect any improvements or corrections made. The next topic is S/N, or serial number, which is crucial as it serves as the user's license number. Users are required to provide their serial number whenever they contact support or have inquiries about the program. For users who do not have the program disk on hand, they can view their serial number directly from the screen. Next, regarding the working date, the program will display the execution date based on the date the user accessed the program, typically the current date. Lastly, the user code serves as an identifier indicating the current user logged into the system. Currently, the user code is bit 9, so this line will display bit 9 accordingly.